This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Eclair Glaze, easy method. Combine chocolate, butter, corn syrup, and warm cream, stirring until smooth and glossy. Use a heat-proof bowl and chop chocolate finely so it melts evenly. Test thickness by dipping a spoon. The glaze should coat and drizzle slowly. If too thick, add a teaspoon of warm cream. If too thin, chill briefly and whisk. Pour over cooled eclairs and smooth with a spatula. Gather chocolate, butter, corn syrup, and heavy cream plus a heat-proof bowl and spatula. Chop chocolate into small pieces for quick, even melting. Warm the cream to just under simmering and pour over chocolate in thirds to encourage emulsification. Add corn syrup and butter last, whisking until glossy and homogeneous. Cool the glaze slightly before pouring to avoid sliding off the eclairs. Work quickly for the best finish and texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I keep an Owala water bottle nearby while I bake. It seals well and keeps me sipping between tasks. It's perfect for messy kitchens and long recipes, and it comes in handy when you're juggling pastry pans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place a wire rack over a baking sheet to catch drips and set cooled eclairs on the rack. Pour the glaze in a single smooth motion, letting excess drip away for an even coat. If edges need smoothing, run an offset spatula quickly while glaze is tacky. For extra glossy finish, gently warm the underside of the pan to loosen glaze consistency briefly. Store glazed eclairs in a cool place until serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.